come all the way down from Hamilton, and I've come to Pasefika Cuisine to try out their island food. Come down and try some. We're in Nai Shopping Centre.
Hi, this is Jay here, and I'm a owner of this Pasefika Cuisine. Look at here, we got a taro, creamy taro, we got a cassava, and we also have a luau, which is called a balsami, the banana and the coconut cream, and then I got a shrimi, flounder, pepper flounder, we got a mussels, and a polymasima, and I also have a lamb crabs, which has been braised, and with sour chicken, and we have chicken, and also we have a pork bellies, sausages, oxtail ribs, chicken curries, lamb curries, and the chop suey. And on the other side, here we have a orca, that's what we call the raw fish, and they got the salad options.
Please come along and join us.
I've been a chef for about 37 years. It's all about my good, tasty, healthy food.